Welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we're excited to introduce you to 17 brilliant tools that every DIY enthusiast and professional should know about. From innovative gadgets to essential equipment, we'll explore a range of tools designed to make your projects easier, more efficient, and more enjoyable. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, these tools are sure to enhance your toolkit and elevate your craftsmanship. Let's dive in. Titan PGD3200X Bose Driver. The Titan PGD3200X Bose Driver redefines efficiency in commercial duty post driving. Its powerful and portable design, weighing 45 pounds, is driven by a Honda GX35 1.3 horsepower 4-stroke engine, ensuring a robust performance. The heavy-duty threaded steel barrel effortlessly accommodates posts, pipes, rods, or stakes up to 3 1/8 inches in diameter. The spin barrel cap facilitates quick off and on for secure adaptive sleeve changes, while the included 2 1/2 inch solid industrial-grade poly adaptive sleeve adds versatility. With high-quality sealed bearings and Vitten O-rings ensuring a long tool life, the handles are thoughtfully designed for comfort, equipped with internal dampening springs to reduce vibration. The simple recoil pull start, trigger throttle, and integrated auto reset stop button make the PGD3200X user-friendly, offering up to 1850 beats per minute in a 100% self-contained package. Milwaukee SDS Plus Dust Trap. The Milwaukee SDS Plus Dust Trap revolutionizes drilling safety with its innovative design. As the industry's first OSHA-compliant solution without a vacuum, it is perfect for overhead drilling applications. This device ensures OSHA objective data compliance even without a dust extractor, offering a universal fit for SDS plus rotary hammers. Its clear sleeve enhances visibility and accuracy during operation. Meeting OSHA Table 1 compliance with a dust extractor, the dust trap accommodates SDS Plus drill bits up to 8 inches overall length and is compatible with stop bits. The compact, collapsible design enhances accessibility and storage convenience. Milwaukee's commitment to safety and efficiency shines through in this SDS Plus dust trap, providing a game-changing solution for drilling tasks. Plazmax E-Tap. The Plazmax E-Tap emerges as the go-to mobile hole tapping solution for serious workshops. Boasting a 90 degrees range of vertical and horizontal movement, this device provides unparalleled flexibility. The touch control panel ensures quick preset settings, enhancing efficiency in the workshop. Its heavy-duty fixture table measuring 1,200 by 800 on casters adds to its convenience. With built-in electronic torque control, the E-Tap prevents stap breakages, ensuring precision in every operation. Offering a working radius of 1,300 millimeters, the device features 90 degrees horizontal and vertical tapping capabilities. The separate magnetic base allows the arm to be used in various locations, providing versatility. Designed and compliant with a 220 volts power source, the Plazmax E-Tap exemplifies innovation, convenience, and performance in the realm of mobile hole tapping solutions. T-Square Parallel Cutter. The T-Square Parallel Cutter is a game-changer in the realm of cutting gypsum plasterboard, offering a seamless and precise process. Achieving clean results in just 3 steps, users can score along a guide edge, break, and cut through the cardboard layer with ease. The moving T-square with an angle function and a clear scale ensures precise guidance at the perfect angle, enabling consistent and accurate cut edges. This not only streamlines the cutting process, but also makes subsequent filling and sanding work significantly easier. The accompanying parallel and strip cutter, equipped with a high-performance trapezium blade, facilitates guided cuts in series. With a maximum cutting width of 970 millimeters, continuous angle adjustment, and an integrated scale for precise marking, the T-Square Parallel Cutter is a must-have tool for efficient and accurate plasterboard cutting. Bag HSB27. The Stack Bag HSB27 from the whole Mitre Stack Bag series emerges as a reliable high-pressure lifting solution designed for safe and stable operations. With a robust 174 psi system, it ensures a greater contact surface for efficient lifting. Weighing in at just 9.2 kilograms, it remains easy to handle without compromising on strength. The HSB27 guarantees a first-time right approach, emphasizing user-friendly operation. Boasting a maximum lifting capacity of 265 kN, this lifting bag is a powerful addition to any operation requiring precision and reliability. Whether it's heavy-duty lifting or intricate maneuvers, the Stack Bag HSB27 is engineered to deliver optimal performance, making it an essential component in any professional lifting toolkit. BladeClean. The BladeClean blade and bit cleaning system revolutionizes the maintenance of saw blades and router bits, offering the quickest, safest, and most enjoyable cleaning experience. The BladeClean cleaning well ensures efficiency, allowing users to spend less time on maintenance and more time on building projects. Equipped with a magnetic handle and a wire brush, the system is designed for convenience and effectiveness. Weighing just 6.1 pounds, it is lightweight yet powerful, making it easy to handle during cleaning tasks. Say goodbye to the hassle of cleaning saw blades and router bits. With BladeClean, the process becomes a breeze, enhancing the longevity and performance of your cutting tools for a seamless woodworking experience. Flextool PowerVibe. The Flextool PowerVibe FPV stands out as a top-tier high-frequency concrete vibrator, prioritizing performance, safety, and operator comfort. With easy connection to a standard 240-volt 10-ampere power outlet, it ensures convenience in any work environment. Operating with a quiet demeanor and emitting no harmful emissions, it not only gets the job done efficiently but also contributes to a cleaner workspace. Operator safety is paramount, featuring a lightweight design, inline RCD protection, and minimal vibration and heat transfer. The hardened steel vibrator head ensures an extended service life, available in diameters of 45 mm and 60 mm. Weighing 17.7 kilograms, the Flextool PowerVibe FPV combines power and reliability for a seamless concrete vibrating experience on the job site. GutterSense. GutterSense redefines the chore of rain gutter cleaning, offering a safer and more efficient alternative. Designed for those who loathe the tedious task, this lightweight and user-friendly tool eliminates the need for ladders, providing a faster and safer way to clean gutters from the ground. Say goodbye to painful scratches and cuts, as GutterSense ensures a clean and hassle-free experience. Its effectiveness extends to pine needles, leaves, and muck, making it a versatile solution for various debris. The tool easily fits on an ordinary extension pole, and its lightweight design with a 14-inch grasp allows for easy maneuverability. With angled tongs for effortless access and the ability to clean under supports, GutterSense is the go-to solution for maintaining clear and functional rain gutters. M12 Brushless Pruning Shears. The M12 Brushless Pruning Shears redefine the pruning experience with their blend of speed, control, and reduced fatigue. With the power to cut 1-to-1 coder branches, these shears deliver unmatched efficiency. Fully compatible with the M12 system, featuring over 150 tools, they offer versatility across various applications. The brushless motor ensures more power and longer life, while active blade control mirrors trigger movement for increased control and access. With up to 1,000 cuts per charge in 1.5-inch branches, the shears boast an impressive performance. The Mode Select feature allows users to match cut capacity to specific applications, and the optimized inline design provides increased access in tight spaces. The slim, ergonomic grip ensures comfort during use, and high-strength steel blades enhance durability. With a wrist strap included for added control, these pruning shears are not only easy to use but also lightweight, making them the ideal tool for efficient and comfortable pruning tasks. SuperHandy Wood Chipper Mini. The SuperHandy Wood Chipper Mini is a must-have tool for efficiently mulching dry branches in smaller diameters, offering compact efficiency and powerful performance in one package. Powered by a 7-horsepower, 212cc gas engine, this chipper effortlessly tackles branches up to 3 inches in diameter with its 15:1 reduction ratio. The pole start mechanism ensures quick and hassle-free operation, while the carburetor fuel system ensures reliable performance with 87+ octane fuel. Weighing just 76 pounds, it's easily portable for use in various locations. Whether you're maintaining your backyard or tackling landscaping projects, the SuperHandy Wood Chipper Mini is the perfect solution for turning branches into nutrient-rich mulch. With its compact design and robust performance, it's a versatile tool for homeowners and professionals alike. Wolfcraft Bevel and Mitre Box. The Wolfcraft Bevel and Mitre Box is a clever 2-in-1 tool designed for measuring and sewing precise mitres, ensuring perfectly fitted baseboards without the need for an additional angular bevel gauge. Featuring integrated guide pins for the handsaw, this tool enables precise and error-free sewing of mitres, making it an indispensable accessory for woodworking projects. The high-quality design ensures sturdiness and durability, providing a reliable solution for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. With a working height of 70 mm and an adjustable angle range from 85 to 180 degrees, the Wolfcraft Bevel and Mitre Box offers versatility and precision in every application. Weighing just 0.6 kg, it is lightweight and easy to maneuver, making it an essential tool for achieving accurate miter cuts in various woodworking projects. Einhell Pressito 1825 Hybrid. The Einhell Pressito 1825 Hybrid is a versatile high-pressure pump designed for inflating a variety of items, from tires to balls. This hybrid compressor excels at both high-pressure tasks like tire inflation and low-pressure applications such as air mattresses and pool inflatables. The 2-line LCD pressure display allows for easy monitoring of actual and target pressure in bar, PSI, and kPa, ensuring precision in every use. With automatic shut-off upon reaching the desired pressure, it offers convenience and efficiency. The push-button switch for inflating in the high-pressure range without presetting adds to its user-friendly features. The integrated storage compartment for the included 4-piece adapter set makes it easy to keep accessories organized. Weighing just 2.52 kilograms, the Einhell Pressito 1825 Hybrid is a portable and powerful solution for all your inflation needs. Edilgrappa F180 BO. The Edilgrappa F180 BO hydraulic battery-powered cutter stands out as the go-to cutting tool for extrication operations, especially when used in conjunction with the spreader. Featuring a powerful brushless motor, this cutter effortlessly handles a range of materials including cables, catalysts, vehicle frames, metal sheets, aluminum, and steel profiles. With a cutting capacity of 24 mm, a piston force of 298 kN, and a cutting force of 871 kN, it delivers robust performance in various applications. The long battery life ensures extended usability, making it an ideal choice for extrication operations, controlled demolition, vehicle decommissioning, and specific industrial works. The double-acting cylinder and 180 degrees head rotation enhance its versatility, while the manageable weight of 22.5 kilograms ensures ease of use in demanding situations. The Edilgrappa F180 BO is a reliable and efficient tool for professionals in need of a powerful hydraulic cutter. Teraplunge. The Teraplunge redefines the way we tackle clogs, providing an efficient and powerful solution for various plumbing needs. Equipped with plunger adapters that create airtight seals, it effortlessly clears clogs from toilets, bathroom sinks, kitchen sinks, floor drains, and more. Holding pressures of up to 87 psi, the plunger head expands to ensure a maximum airtight seal, while a single press of the air button releases a high-pressure gust, swiftly clearing stubborn clogs. This versatile tool is easy to use. Simply pump Teraplunge with air, insert it into the clog drain, and press the button for immediate and effective results. With the Teraplunge, handling tough clogs becomes a hassle-free and powerful process, making it an essential tool for every household. Klein Digital Angle Finder 935 DAF. The Klein Digital Angle Finder 935 DAF is a precision tool designed to provide accurate measurements for both inside and outside angles, lengths, and Mitre angles. This digital angle finder from Klein Tools is a versatile device that simplifies tasks requiring precise angle measurements. With its digital interface, users can quickly and easily obtain accurate readings, making it ideal for carpentry, woodworking, and various other applications where precise measurements are crucial. Powered by a single battery, this lightweight tool weighs just 193 grams, making it easy to handle and transport on the job site. Whether you're a professional tradesperson or a DIY enthusiast, the Klein Digital Angle Finder 935 DAF is a valuable addition to your toolkit, ensuring precision and efficiency in every project. Unger Universal Bulb Changing Kit. The Unger Universal Bulb Changing Kit offers a comprehensive solution for changing light bulbs both indoors and outdoors, eliminating the need for chairs, stools, or ladders. With a base material made of durable plastic, this versatile light bulb changer includes various attachments, allowing you to change almost any bulb in your house effortlessly. The product parts nest together for convenient storage, and the 11-feet telescopic pole provides additional reach. With parts that snap securely in place, there are no screws to lose, ensuring a hassle-free experience. The kit also includes a broken bulb changer and a suction cup attachment for flat bulbs, making it a must-have tool for every household. Weighing just 1.11 kilograms, the Unger Universal Bulb Changing Kit combines convenience and efficiency for hassle-free light bulb maintenance. Einhell Brillianto. The Einhell Brillianto cordless window cleaner is a versatile and efficient solution for maintaining spotless windows. This device, equipped with a spray bottle, microfiber pad, and a convenient wall bracket, simplifies the window cleaning process. With an easy and fast battery replacement feature, the wireless operation is powered by the reliable Einhell Power Exchange battery, ensuring infinite runtime. The 18-volt power provides high performance for optimal cleaning results. Its compact, lightweight, and handy design, weighing only 0.74 kilograms, allows for comfortable handling, complemented by soft grip surfaces. The included wall bracket facilitates space-saving storage, and the on and off switch with a lock function ensures continuous operation. The Einhell Brillianto combines convenience and performance, making window cleaning a breeze for every homeowner.